It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, GMC 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.